what kind of things are y'all expecting to do today at the farm?
We're going on hay rides, horseback riding, excavator, and games.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
Ice cream?
Ice cream all the time. Maybe. Let's go. About to crash. You about to crash. Every year, this beautiful and historic farm opens up their barn doors and invites the community out for what they have coined Family Day. This is a free event which offers miniature train rides, hay rides, pony rides, a petting zoo, and so much more. We are so thankful to be back this year and hope you enjoy watching. Give me your answer, I'm half crazy over the love of you. So here's the food trucks. Everything looks yummy except the price. Just scoped out the ice cream truck and it's $7 a single scoop. So that would be $35 plus tax for us just to get a scoop of ice cream. No way, Jose. My son is digging in the sand. Let's keep it moving, son.
I'm doing something.
I can see that, but let's go. Throughout their property, they had many opportunities for photo ops. And if you can't tell by now, we love taking pictures. That bun is almost 5 feet. Okay.
How tall am I?
Oh, they got a scavenger hunt. Look, see, read that. If you were to have a friendly frog painted on your face, what color would you use? Blue, red, green, or orange?
Look at that one. Mama.
Green. Say what?
Mom, look at that one.
Oh yeah, that's a superhero. See where we go. They got face painting. Daylight's gonna get in that seat. My girl loves to have makeup on. I don't know what time it is at the moment, but I know it's not lunchtime. But my girl is hungry. You hungry too, Ezra?
Yeah, I need cookie.
I don't have a cookie for you. I don't have a cookie. Let me see, girl. Turn to the side. It looks gorgeous. I love it.
Thanks.
Now headed to the hayride. And my mom over there said bye. She said, y'all have fun. I guess that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have some fun. This is the hayride from this point of view. Layla said, oh, that's slow. Getting on the hayride. How you doing? I don't know if the train ride goes faster.
Well, I think so.
Okay, we'll see.
If I were to speak 2 languages, it would be English and Spanish. Because there are people in my class and Swanson's class, that all 3 of them speak Spanish.
I speak Spanish too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Me llamo Tamira.
No, but not a lot.
You know what C means? C? That means yes in Spanish.
I know, but they speak like a lot every day.
I speak a little bit is what I'm saying.
Yeah, but,
Hola.
no, but if you were to speak 2 languages, what would they be?
Okay, if I can learn another language, because I already speak English. So if I can learn another language, yeah, I guess Spanish would be up there because there's so many Spanish people that live in America. I would like to communicate with them. Yeah, that's a good one.
I want to communicate with, there's this girl named Wendy in my class, and she speaks Spanish, and Rosiani, and Kiara.
I really want to know what they're saying. See if they be talking about me.
I want to talk with them and know what they're saying.
Exactly.
Because Wendy, if she's talking to Rosiani, she's like, whatever she says, and she's like,
oh yeah,
and points to somebody. And I'm like, what is she saying?
I know.
No.
Look at the beautiful view. Tennessee. The rolling hills of Tennessee.
The hayride.
Sophia, how was that hayride?
Boring. The tractor was so slow.
I know it was. But so where we going now? The what?
To the petting zoo.
To the petting zoo?
Yeah.
Your brother wants to ride the train.
Yeah, Miss, how do I?
Let's go to the train.
Fruit snacks.
Is fruit snacks in there?
Snacks.
Okay.
It's a turtle. It says English and Spanish.
Yes, please. Thank you. Let's see what you gonna do, sir.
Get out the granite.
Oh, you know what you're doing? What is this thing called?
I want to try.
Look at this 8-year-old. She couldn't help herself.
Wait, can I try?
I guess. Little detour from our fun day. My baby girl just got stung by a bee. So we are headed to first aid to see if there's anything they can do. Because she is crying and in pain. Poor baby. I'm so grateful for the first aid booth. They were so nice and helpful and took care of my baby girl. I'm so proud of her. They cleaned her right up and gave her a Band-Aid. They gave me a Benadryl pill in case she needs to take it later, only if she has an allergic reaction. And I don't think it's burning anymore. If it is, it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Because she got a smile on her face.
Burning just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Hallelujah. Jesus is a healer. Tell him thank you. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Is there a horn?
No.
I was so fascinated with this construction vehicle. I'm not sure what it is, and I forgot to ask the man. But man, it's humongous. The train is coming, but that line is so long. We decided to skip it this day. We're going to go over here and maybe go fishing at this pond. Child is running off into the distance again. And here come another one.
Just like that. That hook is sharp, so you be careful, okay?
You know what you're doing, girl? It is moving. Look at the ducks across the way. Oh, this is so relaxing. I could just sit here and chill. Uh-oh, she caught something. Oh. Ooh. She caught a fish. All right, Fee, what you gonna do, girl? Look what he's trying to show you.
You sort of want to grab it for the first time and just swing it out.
You swing it with the pole.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remember, it has a hook on it.
See how you're swinging it way back here?
Yeah, hook. Yeah, little fishy.
Come on, little fishies.
Are you fishy? You gotta eat your dinner.
You gotta leave it in the water, kids. Hey, just leave it in the water.
I gotta see my
Just be still. Fishing is a lot of waiting. You just gotta sit or stand and just chill. I know. And you don't throw rocks in the water because you don't want to scare the fish away. Just be still, son. You caught something, say.
Yeah.
What is it?
Seaweed.
Okay, don't bring it to me.
I tried to pull the my fishing rod up, and then when I pulled it up, the worm was gone.
Oh, you got a smart fish. Way over to the petting zoo. Let's see what animals are here for us to pet. This what you feed them?
Yeah.
Charlie, come here.
How do you feed them?
Put it on your hand and hold it flat out.
Oh,
Put it on some on your hand.
oh. Ezzy, are you gonna do it?
You come on.
Okay, remember she said you gotta have your hand out flat.
Okay?
Have your hand out flat. Good job.
Okay, go put your hand up. On
Thank
the
you.
floor. You're welcome.
His tongue's gonna feel funny. He won't bite. He just licks it.
He licks it. You don't like that feeling? Open up your hand, son, all the way.
Here. I'm trying. Right here, buddy. There you go.
Yeah,
You gotta put it
he
close.
licked it.
There you go.
Come on.
Ezzy, you gotta put it closer.
You gotta get in.
He can't reach
Can you
it.
put it in there just a little bit?
Oh,
There
good
you go.
job. Good
All
job.
right.
Thank you.
Save some of your food for somebody else, great. Oh, that's a little bitty baby.
Oh, is that a llama?
I think it is.
Oh, I'm confused.
Should have a split toe with his hand. Oh, it's a camel. Is it a camel?
Is that a camel?
Yeah, it's not a llama. Never mind. I have a funnier face than that. I think. I saw the one up in Mountain Pond.
Is this a llama or a camel? Let me know in the comments if you know what animal this is. Where we going next, y'all?
There's a pony.
To see the ponies. Let's roll. Come on.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
This is Princess.
Oh. She got the pink tail.
And the blue tail.
Oh.
You're okay.
Hi, Sophia.
Ezzy.
Hi, Ez. Hi, Say.
Hold tight, okay?
Sophia. All right, did we have big fun?
Yeah.
The favorite part, Fee?
The horse horse riding.
Okay, what about
Horseback
you?
riding. I love them all.
Oh, okay. What about you, son? What was your favorite part?
The pony ride.
The pony ride? Oh, okay. It was a lot of fun, but I'm tired.
I love them all, but my most favorite one is face painting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.